Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Azure Network Watcher. So before we log on to the portal, let me just tell you that Azure Network Watcher provides tool to monitor, diagnose, view metrics, and enable or disable logs for resources in an Azure virtual network. Network Watcher is designed to monitor and repair the network health of the infrastructure as a service products, which includes virtual machines, virtual networks, application gateways, load balancers, etc. So before I show you and discuss all the features that are enabled in Azure Network Watcher and how you can use it, let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logged on to the portal, and now if I type in network and you see this Network Watcher. So what all Network Watcher can do, so if you click on topology, it will give you the topology diagram of all the networks that you have in a particular subscription. I only have one subscription. I will create multiple virtual networks. I'll create the hub and spoke network topology. And yes, I will tell you about what exactly is a hub and spoke network topology in future videos. And you can do connection monitor. And if you want to monitor the communication between a virtual machine and an endpoint, so endpoints can be another virtual machine. It can be an fully qualified domain name. It can be a URI or an IPv4 address. The connection monitor capability would monitor communication at a regular interval and informs you of reachability, latency, and network topology, and all the changes between the VM and the endpoint. For example, you have a web server VM that communicates with a database server VM. So sometimes someone in your organization may apply a custom root or network security rule to the web server or a database server or a subnet. So if a particular endpoint becomes unreachable, connection troubleshoot informs you of the reason. So it will give you of where exactly the packet is dropping and where exactly the communication is blocked. And if you would see the network performance monitor, and the network performance monitor is a cloud-based hybrid network monitoring solution that will help you to monitor network performance between various points in the network infrastructure. It will also help you to monitor network connectivity to service and application endpoints and monitor the performance of Azure Express Route as well. Network Performance Monitor will detect network issues like traffic black holing, routing errors, and issues that conventional network monitoring methods are not able to detect. And if you want to view resources in a virtual network and their relationships and how they are working, so as all the resources are added to your virtual network, it can become difficult to understand what resources are in a virtual network and how they relate to each other. The topology capability, the one that we discussed at the beginning, it will help you to generate a visual diagram of the resources in a virtual network and the relationships between the resources. So let's say you have a virtual network, and in that virtual network you have two subnets, and then you have let's say you have three subnets, and in every subnet you have virtual machines. So this topology, a feature of Azure Network Watcher, would create a topology diagram on how our different subnets related exist in a virtual network and how our different virtual machines added and are hosted in a particular subnet. So it will give you a topology diagram that you can download. We'll see in the future videos how the topology diagram is created and how we'll also download it. And now if you want to talk about diagnostics of the Network Watcher, so you can diagnose the network traffic filtering problems too, or from a VM. Another video, I will make a video demonstrating how you can diagnose the virtual machine traffic filter problem through the portal, and I'll probably make a video on the same thing using PowerShell, or how we can configure the NSG flow logs using the ARM template. And if to do more, we can also diagnose outbound connections from a VM. We can do a packet capture from the Network Watcher, we can also do VPN Troubleshoot. So this Network Watcher VPN Troubleshoot diagnoses the health of the virtual network gateway or a connection. This request is a long-running transaction and the results are returned once the diagnosis is complete. So let's say you have a site-to-site VPN connection from your on-premises to Azure. You can, and if you are facing difficulties reaching to one of the servers in Azure from your on-prem, or there is a problem reaching from Azure to on-prem, you can enable the diagnostic logging from here by configuring a storage account which actually would contain all of your data or the logs, and then you can do the start troubleshooting to gather the logs to use this diagnostics, and it will help also capture packets to and from a VM. You would see this packet capture feature as well, right? And you can also diagnose problems within Azure Virtual Network Gateway and connection. You can also determine relative latencies between Azure regions and internet service providers using the IP flow verify. You can also view security rules for a network interface as well. And if you talk about diagnostic logs, we can analyze traffic to or from a network security group. We can view diagnostic logs for network resources. And we can also automatically enable Network Watcher. So when we create or update a virtual network in the subscription, Network Watcher will be enabled automatically in the virtual networks region. So suppose I create a virtual network. So Network Watcher, that virtual network will automatically be integrated with the Network Watcher and it will show me all the details. And if we now that we have an overview of what actually a Network Watcher is, in the next video we'll start using Network Watcher. We'll diagnose a common communication problem to and from a virtual machine using IPv flow verify. Okay, so I hope this was informative for all of you guys. Till the next video, have a good day.